Alrighty, this is Crown Concepts engine. A little less. Kind of give you a description of this combination. It's got our heads on it. 408 cylinder, 1-inch crank in it. Iron block, custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Holley sniper. Obviously fuel management Holley. It's got a Billet Specialties, beautiful front end, all blacked out. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,600, 439 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 458, right around there. And peaks horsepower 484. So we rated it 500. This customer wanted a good driver, so we took some camshaft out of it. And with front ends, usually a 1520, so everything's good. You can get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.